Today is the closing ceremony of 55th edition of IFI here in Goa. It was a grand success, and I would really like to thank uh, Honorable CM, under whose guidance we could do such a mega event here. It started in the year 2004 under the leadership of our late Manohar Parrikar ji, and we are following his footsteps. या वर्षा ओदिक करून we had got 25 entries of Goan films for our IFI under Goan section, out of which 4 were selected under Goan director's cut and 10 were selected under Goan producers segment. So I congratulate every director, producer, cast and crew who, not just these 14 whose movies were screened, but all the 25 entries. Everyone who gave their entries. Secondly, I would also like to thank everyone who participated. All the delegates who came here from international, across the country. आणि आमचे गोंयकार येवन हे इव्हेंट आमचो इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया इतलो सक्सेस केलो म्हणून. ह्या वर्सा मुद्दम करून आमी मास्टर क्लासीस घेतलेले 25, 26, 27 आमच्या गोंयकार फिल्म मेकरां खातीर. दॅट वॉज ऑल्सो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. सो आय रियली थँक एवरी वन फॉर ऑल देयर हेल्प in making this event success. Thank you.